back to school season or is it bankruptcy season? Because we over here probably going to spend about $500 to $700 on this kid to walk into kindergarten. I'm like, is this normal? Like, I know this is the new, you people over here making these go viral. And I'm like, it's a pencil case. And I could hardly find a mesh pencil case. I literally have 3 pencil cases right now, trying to figure out which one is acceptable. I'm here wondering, do I really have to buy everything that they say is on the list? They asked for hand soap with aloe. This was $1.24. I wanted to buy the one for 98 cents, but it didn't have aloe. Because they're so specific with some things, it gets to be so expensive because you're like, oh, I can go to the dollar store and get this and that, but they wanted a black folder. I have one in the office drawer, but it's not black, it's blue. They asked for these specific colors, but what was on sale was black or orange. For me, we are blessed to say that we can afford it. But to others, I'm like, how are other people doing it? Because it can be expensive. And we got 1 kid. So the people out there that got 2 kids, got 3 kids, got 4 kids or more, how are you doing it? Because I'm like, this is added up. And they're not asking for scientific calculator and all those things, but it can be a lot. So my heart goes out to all the people that might be struggling through preparing to send your kid to whatever grade this school year. And I pray that you're able to afford all that comes with it. Dana was there asking me like, oh, how much uniforms you buying? And so like for us, we decided to do 2 weeks worth of uniforms with a little overage. So we're doing 12 pants, 12 polos, 5 shorts because Central Florida weather can change. School bag, luckily the same school bag that he had last school year, held up great. Thanks to Pottery Barn Kids. We've been buying shoes ahead of his shoe size right now. So he has shoes, but he doesn't have a lot of black shoes. So I'm like, oh, we got to buy some black shoes. Some of these stores are not stocking. You might end up with it not being in stock when you need it. So I'm like, I like to be prepared and buy all these things now. But the school list, and I'm looking at some of the older grades, they ask for a lot. Comment below and tell me how many kids you got and how much you're spending to get them out the door for the school year.